Active weather tonight as rain has already started to move into mid-Missouri. Those showers will continue to move through tomorrow morning, exiting by about midday. Likely going to be looking at heavy rain, possibly some wet snow showers across our northern counties. But if we do see any, very little accumulation is expected. We'll have wet roads throughout much of the day and then possibly some very strong winds too, especially in the eastern half of the area through late afternoon. Here's a big picture of that storm system. It's bringing severe weather to parts of Texas and Oklahoma tonight. And for us, just cold rain. We have flood watches in effect all the way from parts of Ohio back through much of Arkansas, southern Missouri, and then into parts of Texas. Here's what it looks like heading into the morning. We'll start out at 6 a.m. Temperatures getting close to 40 degrees at that time. Likely seeing most of this falling as cold rain throughout much of the morning, but it could be heavy at times. So keep that in mind. Give yourself time to get around during the day tomorrow. I'm expecting any snow chances to wrap up before noon because temperatures will be on their way up into the mid 40s. It's definitely going to be a breezy day as rain starts to exit to the east. Our winds could get up to around 40 to 45 miles per hour, especially across the eastern half of the area. Behind this system, though, it's much more pleasant for the weekend. We'll start off chilly on Saturday. Temperatures in the 30s in the morning. We're climbing up to near 60 in some spots by late afternoon. We'll have mostly sunny skies for Saturday and Sunday, and we get even warmer into Sunday afternoon. However, it's definitely going to be soggy before that. Here's our rain tracker with this storm system. We're going to see anywhere from 1 to about 2.5 inches of rainfall across much of mid-Missouri. Those amounts drop off the farther north you go, but you can see across much of southern Missouri, we could end up with almost 3 inches of rain in the next 24 hours. Snowfall amounts are going to be hard to come by, and that's because temperatures are just going to be too warm. But if we do see any of those wet snowflakes, likely getting up to around a dusting in some of our northern counties, and that'll do it with this storm system. It's definitely going to be windy though. For most of Friday, we'll see sustained winds anywhere from 25 to 30 miles per hour and wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour through early evening. A wind advisory is in effect for our eastern counties. That would include Montgomery and Gasconade through 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. The weekend looking much better though. We're going to see those winds dying down. Temperatures get up into the 50s on Saturday. We're climbing up into the 60s on Sunday, and some places likely will make it up to 70 degrees on Monday to start off the week. But we're going to start cooling down. A cooling trend is heading our way, especially towards the end of the week, and we could see some more rain moving back into the area as early as Tuesday.